Dear students, welcome back to computer science class. In the last class we discussed the Boolean algebra laws, that is involution law. Involution law means, so x double bar is equal to x. The involution law states that the complement of the variable is again complemented, you will get the same variable, that is x. Here x double bar is equal to x. So this is the involution law. The next law of Boolean algebra is complementary laws. Complementary laws. Complementary laws. Here there are two types of complementary laws, that is x plus x bar is equal to 1, x into x bar is equal to 0. With the help of zeros and ones we can prove that x plus x bar is equal to 1 and x into x bar is equal to 0. So first one, x plus x bar I can consider if x is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 bar is 1, that is equal to 1. In the same way, if x is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Hence the result is proved. The first law of complementary is x plus x bar is equal to 1. With the help of zeros and ones, by substituting the 0 and 1, we can prove that x plus x bar is equal to 1. In the same way, we can prove that x into x bar is equal to 0. That is, if x is equal to 0, 0 into 1, obviously it is 0. If x is equal to 1, 1 into 0, again it is 0. Then circuit diagram for this. See here, this is the x value. X bar means, so the same variable is there, so I can apply complementary, that is x bar. In between or is there, that is OR gate, here x plus x bar. See here, x is there, again the second input is the complement of the first one, so that's why I can take it here. I can take it from the first input, I can drag this line and I can apply the inverter, it becomes x bar. Here x is there, after applying inverter it becomes x bar. Here plus is there, so that's why I can apply the OR gate. So that is x plus x bar. In the same way, here x is there, x into x bar. So these two are the complementary laws. So these two laws are very, very important. Next is commutative law. Commutative law, that x plus y is equal to y plus x. Simple law is there, okay, x plus y is equal to y plus x, okay. So just I can apply, if x is equal to 0, 0 plus y is equal to y. In the same way, you can take y plus x and you can apply these zeros and ones. See here. So this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. In the same way, you can take, if x is equal to 1, 1 plus y is equal to 1. Here also 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 1. See here, both the output are same, both the results are same here. If you take x is equal to 1 means the answer is 1 plus y. the properties of zeros and ones. 1 plus y is equal to the 1, or 1 plus any variable is equal to 1 only. Here LHS value is 1 and even the RHS value is 1. It means that the result is proved. So this is the commutative law. In the same way, associative law. So all the laws are very simple and just you can try it. You can apply zeros and ones. Okay. So here the associative law is x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. X plus in the bracket of y plus z is equal to in the bracket of x plus y plus z. So this is the associative law. Okay. So with the help of zeros and ones, so you can prove that associative law. And even with the help of truth table also it is possible to prove the Boolean laws. With the help of truth table, it means truth table means depending upon the number of variables we have to take the possible values. Here 3 variables are there. If the Boolean expression consists of 3 variables means there are 8 possible values. Okay, so with the help of zeros and ones you can prove this one. And also you can draw the truth table as well as circuit diagram. You can try it. Next is distributive law. Distributive, that is x in the bracket of y plus z is equal to the xy plus yz. So this is the first law. The second law is x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. There are 2 distributive laws are there. The first one is x in the bracket of y plus z is equal to x into y, xy plus x into z. It is xz. In the same way, the second law of distributive is x plus yz is x plus y into x plus z. See here, I will draw the circuit diagram for this one and second law. Okay, so here x is there. So first I can take the one input, that is x. Here multiplication is there. This is the second input, but in the second input it is y plus z, means first we can draw y plus z, y z, plus means you can apply r. So this is the first input and this y plus z is the second input. In between into, that is multiplication, it means that you can apply AND gate. See here x, y, z, here y plus z. Finally it becomes x into y plus z. In the same way x plus yz, here x is there, yz means y, z, you can apply and x plus yz. So this is the circuit diagram for x plus yz, and this one is x into y plus z. Here y plus z acts as the second input. Here the second input means first we can draw y plus z. After that this is attached to the first one. In between multiplication is there. So that's why I can apply AND gate. In the same way this one. Here the second input is y into z. Y into z means you can apply the AND gate. In between plus is there. YZ, here x is there. In between plus means you can apply the OR gate. Okay, with the help of zeros and ones you can prove the x into y plus z, in the same way x plus yz. Okay, next is absorption law. absorption law. X plus xy is equal to x. X plus xy is equal to x. See here. With the help of zeros and ones, again it is possible. Otherwise, with the help of properties of zeros and ones, you can apply to the absorption law. See here, here x is there, here also x is a common term. So I can take x as a common term. In the bracket, x into 1, 1 plus x is there, here y. So I already said that 1 plus any variable is equal to the 1. See here, 1 plus y is equal to 1. X as it is. Finally, you will get the result as x. Okay. So if you know the formulas of all the Boolean laws, so then it is easy to solve the Boolean expression. Okay, see here, x plus xy is there, x is a common term, so I can take x as a common in the bracket of 1 plus y. Here x into 1 x plus x into y xy. Next I can apply the laws. 1 plus y is equal to the 1. 1 into x, x. Finally the RHS is x only. Okay. So x plus xy means you can draw the circuit diagram also. Okay, it is easy. Another one is x in the bracket of x plus y is equal to x. See here, the second law of absorption is x into x plus y is equal to x. Just you can multiply x into x, x into x, plus don't write x square. Okay, next is xy. So what is x plus x and what is x into x? X plus x is x, x into x is x only. In the last class I said that if more than one x is repeated, it will be considered as a single x. See here, x into x, x only, plus xy. Next you can take common 1 plus y. Finally it becomes x. Hence the result is proved. Okay. So these all are the important laws of Boolean algebra. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the De Morgan's theorem. So it is compulsory for the examination, that is of 5 marks. Okay, thank you.